Hello teachers, this video will demonstrate how an elementary teacher will post the district approved canned comments at the end of the 9 weeks so that they show up on the students' report cards. So once you've logged onto your campus account, make sure you're on your campus instruction side and that you're on the gradebook link. Then you'll need to make sure you're on the correct term, the correct subject, and that the task should say quarter grade. The next thing you'll need to check and see if you have available is the ability to add the canned comments. And you can check this by seeing if you have these blue links and if they're active here. If you don't see the blue links and they're not active, then that tells me you haven't turned it on in your gradebook yet. It's real easy to do. Come over here to your settings and expand that out. Then in this preference section, you need to make sure that there's a check mark here next to the feature labeled used canned comments. Once the check mark's there, you can collapse the settings and then you should see those active blue links. So now you need to decide if you want to add the comments by individual students or if you want to add it for like the entire class. So I'll show you how to do it for our individual students. Just on the row next to the student's name, you come over here and click on this CC, which stands for canned comment. I'm going to give this student the comment of follows directions, then click on the add comments button, and now you'll see that follows directions here. And I want to give everybody else the same comment, so I can use the fill feature now. I can come up here and say fill. I want to add a comment. I want to say that the rest of the students make good use of their time. And now I'm going to say that I want to give it to the students that their comment area is empty. That will fill it for those students that don't have a comment yet. If I want to give everybody the whole same comment, then I would just leave it on all. But I'm going to say empty and click on fill. And now you'll see that that first student that I gave follows directions is still there, and everybody else makes good use of time. So now the last step in this process is to click on the Save button. And once you've saved it, then that information is there and available for the office to put on the students' report cards. I would go through the next to the next subject if I wanted to add comments there and go through that same process again. So this is how an elementary teacher will add the district approved canned comments at the end of the 9 weeks.